In this video, let's talk about the way that you use the Chase reward points. Now, there are multiple ways on how you can use the Chase reward points that you gather within the Chase online banking. The first way is going to be to transfer to the airlines as well as hotel partners. You can move your Chase points directly to the loyalty program to unlock outsized values from hotels as well as online. So this is the first way that you can use this. The second way is going to be to book via the Chase travel portal. So you can use these points to book hotels as well as flights as well as rental cars directly through the Chase travel portal. So you can just open up a web browser, search for Chase travel portal, or you can also open up your mobile banking application and head over to this platform. Lastly, what you can also do is pay yourself back. This feature allows you to redeem points as a statement of credit for specific as well as everyday purchases. So these are the few ways that you can use the Chase reward points. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.